Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we've been doing a series on parables, and today is the final in that series. Now, today's parable, it's very important. It is about prayer. So if you have concerns about prayer, then listen good. And if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, make we know what you think, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 8. Then Jesus telling special follower them that Toria for show them, say them for always pray and no give up. In a one town, you did have one judge when afraid of God and when no respect nobody. And in the same town there, you did have one woman where husband is dead. She ever a come to him and a beg him, say, "I want justice. Protect me from me enemy them too." For a long time, he might tell her no. But after a while, the judge said to himself, say, "Me no afraid of God, and me no respect nobody. But see how that woman ya keep on a bother me. Me I make sure say she get justice. So she will tap come tired me out." The Lord tell them say, "Una hear what the wicked judge say. So una not think say God a go give the people them when pick justice. Eh? The one them we bawl to him day and night. Una think say him we keep on a put them off. God will make sure say them get justice quick. But when the man where God pick come back at earth, he might go find people we believe in him. A God word this. Thank God."
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.